So today we're talking with Leland Keane, the Artistic Director and CEO of Tamarama Rock Surfers Theatre Company in Sydney. Leland, you've been running this company for a while. You're a very well-respected theatre maker in Australia. Why did you feel that buying The Surfer and the Mermaid would be a great thing to do for Sydney audiences?
Look, I love the photos, Ted's photos, and obviously Tim as well. I've followed kind of his career as a surf rider for a long time, and when I saw what Bleach were doing last year, I was really excited about the idea of producing something for young people, for the grommets, that had the message about ocean care that was really important. Obviously in our location in Sydney and Bondi, we're right near the beach. It's important to all of us. I'm a surfer as well. I've grown up around the beach and around the ocean all my life, and so it's really important to me to be nurturing the next generation of grommets with the right message of the way that they should be treating our oceans. And when I came up to Bleach and I saw the product that Louise you were putting on up there, I was really impressed by the nature of the festival, the way it really galvanised the community. I thought was really interesting, and this was certainly the one theatrical piece that I really looked to develop a co-production relationship with Bleach, and also obviously with Gold Coast Arts Centre. It's a unique thing. I think it's one of the first kind of models that's actually been set up like this in terms of an individual company going to a festival and picking up something for further development. So yeah, we're stoked. We're really happy, and I think it's going to be a good run. We've certainly seen initial quite a commercial sort of push behind it in terms of the way tickets have gone. So yeah, it's stoked that it's here.
Great. And do you think that this is a good sign of things to come from the Gold Coast?
Yeah, I do. I think there's some really positive stuff to happen over the next kind of 5 to 6 years coming out of the Goldie. Things leading up to the Commonwealth Games. There's certainly a change in artists, and I think a real sense of community that's come back there, particularly to the southern Gold Coast. To those beaches. There's a lot of pride. There's a lot of civil pride that's starting to happen in the area, and there's a lot of new artists that are coming out. Musicians, theatre artists, visual artists that are starting to work out of the area. People who now have families and have been around the Gold Coast for a long time and really identify with what the culture is up there. So it's an exciting time, and it's certainly something we'll be looking for more product and more relationships with.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Leland.
Cool. Thanks, Louise.